Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by prepping both your natural hair and the extensions. Clean, dry, and detangled. Start attaching at the nape where tension is lowest, and work one small section at a time so you control placement. Once done with the first row, check that bonds sit flat and not too tight. This avoids pain and breakage. Make sure to leave a margin above the scalp for natural movement. That spacing reduces stress and helps extensions blend smoothly with your hair. Continue by layering and blending. Stagger wefts so weight distributes evenly and the join lines hide. You should cut and softly texturize the extension ends to match your haircut. Scissors create movement that prevents a blocky look. As you secure additional rows, monitor scalp tension and adjust part spacing. Excessive tightness causes discomfort. Use small protective pads or heat shields around bonded areas. When applying heat to finish, blend with a final brush through and style gently. Focus product on mid-lengths and ends, not at the bonds. Maintain weekly care. Detangle with a soft brush, wash with sulfate-free shampoo, and condition sparsely near the attachment points. If a piece slips or feels tight, address it immediately. Loosen if too tight or resecure a slipped bond. Do not yank. If you notice irritation, persistent lifting, or hair loss, stop and consult a professional to prevent long-term damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.